It's not a little bit.
We're down here in Pearland. We're at Horsepower Factory. Do a little crawfish boil. Dyno the 5 Series and have a good time. We got David's car on the dyno. Now we got a slight problem with his hood latch.
No, the middle's undone. I got it off. Whatever the fuck you did, it came off. It's like halfway down. It's not 100%. Knock the fuck out of it.
There we go.
Hey.
Don't close the hood again.
Put the pin in there. Oh, I got the pin. Here.
This ball is chewed up. No, just something to get it inside of this one.
All right, so we're getting this ready to the dyno. So we're not expecting any crazy numbers with this since it only has a single 450 and 80-pound injectors on the 85. So if we can make 500 wheel, 550, something like that, we'll be really happy. So 6.0, 78, 75, 80E, standard stuff. We'll get to it. What'd you guess, David? Shit.
I have no idea. 520, second gear, 10 pounds.
Shit. What? So you said 520, second gear, 10 pounds.
Before I'm out of fuel? Or 10 pounds?
10 pounds, yeah.
I'm gonna say 12, 560.
560?
No, 550.
560?
560, 14 pounds.
No, I mean, it's like 600. You might be close because we got IRS, right?
Yeah.
Shit.
560, 14 pounds.
How much time are you putting in it?
It ain't making 600. Ain't got no fuel.
Hold on. Check the wheel.
Holly, take the wheel.
The OBS made 600 something.
It's got one 450.
The OBS only got 1,450.
On E?
Yeah.
What the OBS make?
The maroon one?
Yeah, what do you make? Damn! How much power? I mean, how much? Sorry, yeah, I was about to say, how much boost? I don't know. We'll see this shit live. Hey, that's what that 350 is gonna make.
Yeah, that's a 350. Hey, that's a 350. Go look at it. Like, you don't have a computer top of this thing?
I don't know. See.
Where's that muffler? Where's that muffler? Oh, I know the muffler's gonna kill a bunch. Nah, that's that muffler. 100% sure. I'm 1,000,000% sure.
That's a good pull.
to like 11 or 12.
They got some short ass gear. Look at that. 20.
You got like 390 stuff? 410, huh? 410? Yeah, I got like 410 here.
Push it a little bit. 62.
Why is it falling off?
Yeah. It felt like it was on this one.
Got a good intake on it.
Hey.
What cam is it? Sloppy stage 2?
64. 64 Honda.
I think we're grading on here 590.
Did we get the filter off?
Yeah.
Filter still on?
Yeah, okay.
Let's take the filter and the exhaust off.
Take the exhaust off and pick up 100.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
How much work is it?
Please, let me take a
There's
picture.
one V-band.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Where's it at?
I'm gonna take a picture.
One V-band up there, and then you got a bracket back here, right?
Hang on, let me finish this turned up and we got it.
The last spool.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. 100 horsepower for sure.
Y'all gonna have David drive around with no muffler.
But what? He's got a cutout. He's got an electric cutout. It just didn't get put in, so
I got you.
once he does that, then it's fucking BMW luxury, flip with a switch.
This
100
thing
horsepower.
drives mint.
Dude, it's
And
so
you got 100 horsepower on the switch.
it's so comfortable.
It's really is. I'm like, man, I might have to build one of these for a daily.
It drives like a lazy boy recliner.
And a lot more horsepower. That's the case.
So we're pretty sure that we're bottlenecked on this exhaust. So we picked up like nothing going up. 100% on the controller. First time. So this pole was 7 pounds. And we added to the controller, made 10. And we haven't picked up anything since 50% duty. So we're thinking the exhaust is the bottleneck. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the exhaust off, see what it makes.
It's a stock 4LA with a shift kit and a fucking budget component. Mike also told me it was an SS2, so it's a sloppy thing.
It's not falling off. It's not the cam.
A little bit. I mean, tiny little bit. But like a
Nobody.
That's what I was wondering.
So they took the exhaust off, made a hit, blew the clamp.
Blew the coupler off.
This bitch was on a rip.
What is that, 11? What is it?
5,400. I turned it down to 60, so that should make
Hopefully.
16. Maybe I go a
It makes
little.
what it makes. It makes what it makes.
I could go a little lower. You got it. Oh no.
Pretty sure it's gonna
We're
keep just on good.
We're just gonna put another clamp on.
What happened to that clamp?
It's fucked up.
It fucked up.
It's stripped. It don't.
It blew the clamp off of it.
Solomon couldn't back it off, so it's stripped. It must have got stripped before, and like it didn't tighten all the way. It was tight, but it wasn't tight. It might have been fucked up when you got it.
Hey, you gonna do nothing? Oh, goddamn! It came off.
Broke it. It broke it out of the other side.
Oh, God. Hey, you want to twist me for now?
Gawk, twist it.
That's no good. What do you want to take it off?
It's not good. It's not good. It's locked up too.
Oh, shit. It's getting hot. It's coming out. Seems like you're going to blow up.
And he lifted. 13 pounds? Bro, that shit got some, I mean, we got some loose valve seals. But other than that,
Nah, it needs more PCG. We did it in the car and with no oil cap, don't smoke.
really? That's
It's
cool.
like James.
We'll take it off next rip.
Ah, we're good. I'm done.
You're not gonna make another rip?
I told you.
Where's he
Yeah,
at?
that was 0 on the boost controller.
I told you.
That's gay?
So that was all the.
Oh
back
my
pressure.
god.
I told you.
So it literally makes 100 more. But it made 90 more.
It
made 90
12
more.
pounds.
It made 12 pounds.
That's 12 pounds.
Yeah, because you did the or you saw
Well,
the
12 pounds is what the springs added up to, so that's right.
No, it has an 8-pound spring.
It has an 8 and it has a 4, so that's 12.
No, we only put the 8. We put the red spring in. So Frank thought it was either an 8 or a 10. So with the exhaust on it, it made 7. With no exhaust on it, it makes 12.8 liters.
So it's probably an 8-pound spring.
It's gonna make 600. It's gonna make 600 pounds.
Do what?
It's gonna make 600. If he wants it to make 600.
It just needs more pump. It had more pump. We can keep going.
It's already out of pump.
No, it's not out.
No, I told you. It's not
We'll
out.
fucking turn this bitch on. What's it at in duty cycle?
86.
Oh, God, okay. So it's out of pump.
Yeah,
All right.
it's about out.
Yeah, let's
what was
be
that?
honest. 86%. It's out of
Oh
pump.
yeah. It'll probably make another 50 or something.
Yeah.
So that was 12.8.
Another 50. So you saying we can crack 400? I'm crack 400. We can crack 600? Get close?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Or you want to do that? You want to make one more pull? You want to be done?
What?
You want to make another pull? You want to be done?
I want to see a pull with the cap off because I want.
Oh yeah, I would like to make a pull of that off to see if it doesn't smoke.
Yeah, I'd be curious if it just needs a bigger catch can.
Yeah, because that's what he did in the car, right? So it's all smoke on decel, right?
No, it
No,
was it was
actually
smoking during the pull. Yeah.
Yeah. Like right at the end.
It's gonna be like the big turbo cars. It's gonna need like a -8 off each valve cover to a big can.
I mean, he did gap the rings, stock rings, put them back in. So.
Man, you like to live dangerously.
Did you put valve stem seals in this when we put it in, or just springs? I think this says Pack 1219s. We didn't do seals.
I don't think so. No.
It'll be alright. I've seen him smoke like that.
No, I'm good how it is.
Just make a pull without the cap. I won't change anything else.
Yeah, just put it.
No, 600. Give me exactly 83 horsepower over 440. We already beat it by 10, so it made 93 more.
I'm happy. I wanted it to make 500. I knew it'll make 500. That's awesome. Damn, that shit. Where did this?
Eddie lifted early. He lifted early though. It'll do 580.
What did I say?
I don't know where the smoke is coming from, but
I mean, it came from every direction.
it came everywhere. Front, back, sides. What you think about it, David?
That's a lot of horsepower.
What's funny is we were all driving it around on the first hit when it registered like 300 horsepower. Now it makes twice as much.
Yeah. Oh, I drove it around without the exhaust before, right?
Yeah.
Michael looked at the data.
It's only under boost. It has to be pushing it out of the valve seals. Just need to pull all the springs and put new valve seals in it. It'll probably stop.
Yeah. So cutouts for sure.
He has one. It's just not. It's not on it.
Cutout, but we just threw this on there.
Yeah, it was. You got to get your signature black spray paint too.
Yep.
That's crazy. Like,
Black spray.
You would never thought.
That bitch is gonna be a ton of fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think if we get the cutout just up here somewhere. I mean, honestly, back there.
you can put it right here.
It's probably it's just the hole is probably like a 4-chamber.
But first, we got to do a burnout.
That's what I'm waiting on. Who gonna pilot it? It's what I'm waiting on.
Somebody who can lift.
Don't break it.